Meaning of GCHQ.
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 GCHQ. GCHQ stands for the Government Communications Headquarters, which is a UK intelligence and security organisation. Its primary focus is on providing signals intelligence (SIGINT) to support the UK's national security and defence policies. GCHQ was founded in 1919 as the Government Code and Cipher School, and its headquarters are located in Cheltenham, Gloucestershire. The agency employs thousands of staff and plays a crucial role in protecting the UK from threats such as terrorism, cyber attacks, and espionage. GCHQ operates under strict legal guidelines and works closely with other intelligence agencies both in the UK and abroad.